This is Sanna's hut, between a nala and a water pipe. There is no road access. Sanna's father is a zari worker. There is no electricity. So Sanna's father opens a part of his hut every morning to work in natural light. No water either. And no, this is not some remote village. Sanna's address, Bandra, Mumbai, beside the highway and under the Bandra skywalk. Meet Sanna's family. Meet Sanna. Due to abject poverty, Sanna, a good student, would have had to quit school. But support was at hand.
स्टडी के लिए आज मैं जो कुछ भी हूँ, मैस्को की वजह से हूँ। मैस्को ने मेरी काफ़ी हेल्प की है, बुक्स के लिए, मेरे नोट्स के लिए और मेरे भाई बहनों के लिए उसकी फीस के लिए काफ़ी उन्होंने मेरी हेल्प की है।
In the city of lights, Sanna and her siblings can study thanks to the neon signs of Mumbai. In Mumbai, our city of gold, Sanna and her siblings might have gone hungry, but support was at hand.
6 बच्चे हैं मेरे और मेस्को से अगर राशन नहीं मिलता तो हमारे बच्चे कभी भूखे रह जाते हैं। चावल मिलता, गेहूँ मिलता, चाय पत्ती मिलता, शक्कर मिलता, दाल मिलता, तेल मिलता।
Meet Sneha. Sneha's family of 4 live in one room of a Bandra slum.
You know, during rainy seasons, the water seeps through the walls and we have to wind up everything so quickly so that the mats are not wet.
During the monsoon, waking up at 2 or 3 in the morning is a common occurrence for this family to save what little they have. Mumbai, a city where goddesses are worshipped. Why then is the female child not welcome in our home?
Unsuitable for song as well as sense, the island flowers into slums and skyscrapers. Reflecting precisely the growth of my mind, I'm here to find my way in it.
When I was born, my father left us. He wanted a boy. My mother had to bring up my sister and me all alone. My father needed a baby boy.
I earn 1500 rupees a month by giving tuitions, out of which I spend mainly on traveling, and rest I give it to my mother for running the house. Mesco's contribution of 900 odd rupees per month helps me to bridge the gap. Without this, it would be impossible to complete my education.
Let's meet a few more young people who've been helped by MESCO.
When I was in 6th standard, my father passed away, and there was no one to give me educational support. From the last 7 years, MESCO have been helping me for my education, and have really changed my life.
When I was in 10th standard, I would have to stop studying because my father is an auto rickshaw driver, and we were 4 siblings. Then MESCO came into my life and changed my life.
My name is Tehseen Lakrawala, and I have completed my aircraft maintenance engineering course. And MESCO has been very supportive since 5 years now.
MESCO provides medical aid as well.
तस्मिया को हार्ट का प्रॉब्लम था, उसके दिल में सुराख था, तो MESCO से हम लोग मदद मांगे थे, तो MESCO वाले ने मदद दी। हमारे पास पैसे कम हो रहे थे, तो हमने MESCO की मदद मांगे, तो MESCO ने 20,000 रुपये हमारे को दिए, तो उसमें हमारा इलाज हुआ। अभी हमारी बच्ची ठीक है।
Tasmia today is a silent child who loves colors.
मेरे नवासी के दिल में सुराख था, तो ऑपरेशन करना था, तो MESCO ने मेरे को 1,40,000 रुपये की मदद की।
MESCO's mobile clinic service treats 70,000 slum dwellers annually.
Primarily, the mobile clinics help us to diagnose the cases at the first instance, and that is very important in any disease, that if it is detected early, it becomes curable and one can maintain the health of the patient. We have camps like dental camps, nutrition camps, hypertension camps, diabetic camps.
बाढ़ आई थी, उस टाइम मेरा सब घर वर ख़राब हो गया था, तो MESCO वाले ने मदद की। मैं एक सेल्स गर्ल हूँ, मेरा माल वाल भी सब ख़राब हो गया था, तो MESCO वाले ने मेरे को काफ़ी मदद की है।
It all started 4 decades ago in a cottage by the sea. A few young college students, rather than spending their time partying, were thinking about how they could help the underprivileged. Initially, they took small steps. They raised funds by collecting old newspapers from friends and neighbors. Abbas Khatkate's mother's kitchen was used for storage. Even today, old clothes and newspaper collection generates rupees 15 lakhs annually.
ख्वाबों में फिर भी बादल ही थे, वो कहता रहा मगर के अल्लाह के बंदे हंस दे अल्लाह।
And on his farm he had a cow. जोर से बोलो क्या ये? Cow. He had a cow. E-I-E-I-O.
MESCO runs 15 nursery schools in slum areas that don't have educational facilities.
सादिया को दो और ज़ैन को दो. सादिया को दो और ज़ैन को दो.
Each nursery has 20 to 25 children and provides uniforms, textbooks, as well as a midday meal. MESCO runs vocational training workshops in Dharavi and Mumra. Embroidery and sewing classes, as well as beautician courses, are conducted here. Electricians courses too, and English-speaking courses.
My name is Ruksar. I come here to learn spoken English. There are 10 other students, and this course is conducted in evening by MESCO.
Sewing machines are donated to deserving people.
हम दोनों के शौहर की तबीयत बराबर नहीं रहती है, इसलिए मेस्को की तरफ से जो मशीन मिली है उससे हमें आमदनी अच्छी हो रही है और हमारे बच्चों की परवरिश अच्छी हो रही है।
This is Srijana. Srijana's father was a laid-off mill worker, and Srijana was forced to stop studying. Since the 8th standard, MESCO has adopted her under their education scheme. It seems like MESCO has worked like a charm for this young girl. Srijana earlier lived in a slum. Her jhopri was broken by a builder, who has now given them this transit apartment.
It's a tiled floor, and I'm having filter also. Now I'm having geyser. Now I can have even a hot water bath, and also I'm having a shower too.
Uzma, a distinction student, is an orphan. She stayed with her grandmother, who put a stop to Uzma's studies. She wanted Uzma to do the housework and also get a job. Jilani's mother died when he was a little child. His father remarried and abandoned Jilani in his native village with some relatives. However, when Jilani passed his 10th standard as a distinction student, his father called him to the city.
My stepmother don't ask me, tell me not to study and do the work. He asked me to help her in the domestic works, in cooking, cleaning of clothes, washing clothes and other household works. I didn't get the time to study. Sometimes he used to beat with me anything he finds in the home. Either it is any stick, either it is a belt or anything else. Sometimes he used to beat even with the iron rods, bamboos.
In these cases, MESCO has to provide not just financial but psychological support as well. MESCO here plays the role of parent. Uzma and Jilani had to be sent to hostels.
मैं अभी सेकेंड ईयर डिग्री इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजीनियरिंग में हूँ और मैं इलेक्ट्रिकल में अपना मास्टर डिग्री कंप्लीट करना चाहती हूँ.
After completing my final year diploma examination, I got admission in second year in computer engineering, and I want to do MS in database management system and finally to get a good job in Microsoft.
And if you thought that wasn't enough, MESCO also runs the Crescent High School in Mumbra. Due to lack of space, classes are run in garages and shops. This is the computer lab. This is the Linguaphone language class. Since there's no place for a library, library books are taken to individual classrooms.
I love reading. My favorite story is Rapunzel and Thumbelina.
Our parent profile ranges from highly educated professionals till the rickshaw drivers. Yet, it is our duty to give them the best quality education in spite of the circumstances.
Cognitive development is achieved by fun with colors, fun with language, stories, rhymes, mathematical concept with concrete learning where children explore and discover and share their experience with their peers.
You've seen that we are running the classes in the shops and we've got the residential quarters up. Despite of our requests several times, they still throw garbage.
My father runs a school in Mumbra. He was knowing that the MESCO Crescent was the best school in the town, so he sent me over here.
I studied SSC from MES Crescent School. My father is a taxi driver. I am studying in Thana College right now. I am doing BA in English Literature and I'll inshallah pursue IAS in future.
But despite MESCO's most dedicated efforts, funds are scarce and uncertain. There's always a feeling of leading a hand-to-mouth existence.
It's like boring the well and taking the water.
MESCO is secular in nature, with donors and beneficiaries from all communities. At MESCO, they believe that education is the best way to reform.
Here in MESCO, we, as a policy, we do not encourage beggary, and we have managed to convert the Zakat fund into making people work, educate and work and earn a decent living.
MESCO is set apart by its transparency. Even a 30-year-old receipt for Rs 15 can be tracked down. But look what's happening here. MESCO is constructing a new building for Crescent School.
As of today, we have spent nearly 4 crores of rupees on the project, and in the next say about 6 months to 8 months time, we need another about 2 to 2.5 crores more to complete the project. It's going to be a school in the state-of-art type of a school, and specially meant for the underprivileged section of the local population of Kausa Mumra.
You've seen the existing state of the language laboratory, that is Linguaphone, computer lab and the science laboratory. This is going to be our new library where the children will come here and read the books. This is going to be our language laboratory.
Rupees 3 crore more for a dream to be born.
Our dream today is having a corpus of 100 crores, which I think is surely achievable.
And you can contribute too by donating towards the completion of the new school building project, or by donating old clothes and newspapers, by sponsoring one child's education.
What I wanted to do is give back to MESCO in whatever terms they have helped me, right from mentoring people who don't know what to do in their careers, and also in whatever terms I can sponsor those guys or help them in whatever financial terms I can. And from this year, actually, I have also started sponsoring a child for his primary education.
After my education, I realized that I should be part of the MESCO mission. So I joined MESCO as a committee member. Right now, gradually, I am become the subcommittee member, and I'm taking the part in the MESCO progress.
To start with, I have joined a couple of portfolio committees of MESCO, namely General Aid and RC Mahim Portfolio Committee, and would like to give my best efforts, my best time to MESCO, so that and my best wishes to MESCO so that it grows as a professional organization in the future.
Now I am giving back to MESCO by adopting one child under the education adoption scheme, as well as I am on the executive committee and I'm the chairperson of the education portfolio committee.
It's only education that can change your destiny. Only because of MESCO, I think I'm able to acquire that education which has changed me from a slum dweller to a flat owner.
In Mumbai, city of dreams, may Srijana and other youngsters have new doors open and reach places with the press of a button.
I will complete my MBA in finance.
After my education, I want to be a banker.
I am very ambitious.
I am planning my MBA in finance.
My dream is, in fact, I want my future to become an engineer in big airlines, be it a Jet Airways, Kingfisher or Air India, but I want to work in big aircraft.
My dream is to be a dentist.
Salam Mumbai, Salam MESCO.
लूटा लूटा किसने उसको ऐसे लूटा कि फिर उड़ ना पाया होके अपने पर ही तो उसने था उड़ना सीखा होके अपने पर ही तो होके अपने पर ही तो उसने था उड़ना सीखा गम को अपने साथ में ले दर्द भी तेरे काम आएगा अल्लाह के बंदे हंस दे अल्लाह के बंदे अल्लाह के बंदे हंस दे जो भी हो कल फिर आएगा अल्लाह के बंदे हंस दे अल्लाह के बंदे अल्लाह के बंदे हंस दे जो भी हो कल फिर आएगा अल्लाह के बंदे हंस दे अल्लाह के बंदे हंस दे जो भी हो कल फिर आएगा।